All right, here we've got the fully assembled GT560 and CL55 on the back. So as you see, again, standard GT560, whether you got one that you purchased all the way back to 2015 or one that you purchased brand new, the grain cart system, the connected grain cart system will work with it. So when you go through and look to assemble, the back of the GT560 will look a little something like this. So you get a new connector plate with a ram mount on it. There are 2 holes on either side of the CL55 and on the plate that you'll run your bolts up through, and it connects directly to the back of that plate. You're going to wrap your antenna harness a little bit like this. You can either wrap it completely around the CL55 or have it zip tied up like this. Then you're going to use the double stick tape, put it on the bottom of the antenna, and then stick it on top of the GT560. And then, of course, everything on the bottom with that harness will plug directly in. So again, with the CL55, that's going to provide your GPS. That's also going to provide your connectivity to the outside world back to your TAP account. So inside TAP, you have a separate grain cart subscription that's linked specifically to this CL55 and to this GT560. Now this GT560 connected grain cart system, again, has a ram mount, and the intent is for this to be up on the utility bar up in your tractor. You don't need to have this on the back of the grain cart. Just put it up in the tractor like you would do with any of your other monitors or any of your other displays.